Hi everyone, I'm Gergely and welcome back to Vizcom 101. In this video, we'll explore how to make different views of our product. First, we introduce the new view feature. Then we generate some alternatives. And lastly, I'll show a way how to utilize these new views in the process. Let's dive in. To access the multi-view generating feature, let's go to Modify, New View. Here we have a 3D view selector where we can click on each of the dots and planes representing the equivalent angle of our product. Let's select a few angles and generate them to see the consistency. There are angles, such as the bottom view, that are not visible. Those can be found in this drop-down menu. We can see that the generated angles are really consistent with the original image. But if you want alternatives for certain views, we can always generate the same angle multiple times to get different solutions. This will essentially give us variation. Now we can use all of these angles separately to make visuals out of them according to these different angles. But if you want Vizcom to be aware of the product in a holistic way, we can connect all of these angles to a modify block and then we can generate images from that. This way we can be sure that the product will stay consistent when generating additional images. And that concludes how to make different angles in Vizcom. We checked the new view feature, we generated some alternatives, and we also checked how to use these new views further in the process. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the next video when we progress further in the workflow.